Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Han's Pharmacy Classroom Pro, and welcome to this special video of a new drug update. Now, today we have a new drug called Vonoprazan, now marketed under the brand name Voquezna in the US. This drug actually is not new, but it was first approved in Japan in 2015 and just recently approved by the US FDA in November 2023 for erosive acid reflux. In this quick update, we will look at the main mechanism of action of Vonoprazan and compare and contrast it with traditional proton pump inhibitors in terms of their mechanism of action, drug chemistry, onset and duration, and metabolism and elimination. And we will wrap up with a quick note on its clinical use. Vonoprazan works by inhibiting the proton pump in the gastric parietal cells. It does so by binding competitively to the potassium binding site of the gastric hydrogen potassium ATPase enzyme system. Vonoprazan is the first drug in this new class called potassium competitive acid blockers, or commonly abbreviated with PCABs. Now, this leads to the suppression of gastric acid secretion. Traditional proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, such as omeprazole, are unstable in acid and must be formulated in enteric-coated formulation to avoid immediate stomach acid exposure. PPIs are also prodrugs that must be converted into sulfonamide form and irreversibly bind to the proton pump through covalent binding. Vonoprazan, on the other hand, competes reversibly with potassium for binding to the pump and is stable in acid for immediate drug action. Now, this reversible binding allows for a faster onset of action and a longer duration of acid suppression compared to some PPIs. Vonoprazan is primarily metabolized via the CYP3A4 enzyme system. The elimination half-life is relatively long at about 7.7 hours, and contributing to its sustained acid suppression effects. Various traditional proton pump inhibitors are primarily metabolized via cytochrome P450 2C19. Now, notice that there are known genetic polymorphisms in the 2C19 isozyme, and their half-lives range from 1 to 4 hours depending on the specific drug, but noticeably shorter than Vonoprazan. Vonoprazan is used for treatment of various acid-related disorders, including GERD, peptic ulcers, and erosive esophagitis, and in combination with an antibiotic regimen for H. pylori eradication. It is often prescribed when standard proton pump inhibitors may not provide sufficient acid suppression. And that is everything for this quick update. Leave me a comment if you have any question, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.